What if I tell you that cutting images perfectly on iPad is way easier than doing it on desktop in Photoshop? In this video, you will learn how to cut and combine multiple images easily using only Photoshop on iPad. So let's start with a new canvas, creating a new one with the custom size. Let's bring an image through the Files app. Let's bring this one. So once you import the image, you can scale it or rotate it. Exactly, also you can rotate it like this. Done. And now as you see, you have just imported an image. You can also rename the layer, as I have told you earlier also. You should rename the layers so that you do not get confused while editing or making any composition in Photoshop. Once the image is here, you can select the image, and to remove or cut out the main part, you can do it using multiple ways. First of all, let's go into the selection methods and go to the actions, select subject, and it will select the subject very quickly. And now what you can do is you can hit these three dots, layer actions, and you can either copy selection or cut selection. I will copy selection, and with this plus button of add layers, I will paste it as a new layer. And now I can delete the previous one or the main layer by selecting it and hitting the delete layer button. You are left with just the cutout of sofa. Same way we can bring other images also into your canvas. Let's bring this one. We can just place it properly, scale it, move it, and hit done. Now you can easily copy layer or your furniture. Click on the three dots and you can duplicate layer, and then you can move it and rotate. Again, let's bring a center table from the Files app. I have downloaded all these furnitures from Pinterest. Scale it first and then move it. It has got a white background. I can show you that why I am saying that it has got a white background. If I show you, the sofa layer is on the top. So if I bring it here, now if I move this above the sofa, you can see that it has got a white background. And again, these also have got a white background, so we have to remove white background. For that, the trick is simple. As I have explained you can go into the selection tools and choose the action, select subject, and it will select subject, and then you can easily copy selection and then paste it as a new layer, and you can delete the previous one. So now you are left just with the cutout. Same way you can make cutout of sofas also. For that I will show you another way. Just select the layer and you can go into the layer properties panel, and you will find remove background over here. Click that button and the background will be removed, and I will show you it has created a mask. So we are just looking at our subject. So you have just created a composition in Photoshop on iPad. Now we will learn how to replace backgrounds in seconds.